Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Land Rover Discovery versus the Mercedes GLE 350. We'll dive into their core attributes, examining what makes each SUV a strong contender in the luxury market. Our goal is to help you understand their differences in performance, interior comfort, and advanced technology, so you can decide which one best suits your lifestyle and driving preferences. When it comes to performance, the Land Rover Discovery truly shines off-road, with its robust four-wheel drive system and impressive ground clearance. The Mercedes GLE 350, however, delivers a more refined and comfortable ride on paved roads, perfect for daily commutes. Both SUVs offer strong engine choices, providing ample power for various driving conditions, whether you're tackling trails or cruising highways. Inside, the Land Rover Discovery provides a highly versatile and spacious cabin, ideal for families and adventurers needing ample cargo room. The Mercedes GLE 350 counters with a more opulent and modern interior design, featuring premium materials and sophisticated aesthetics. Both vehicles are equipped with advanced infotainment systems and driver assistance technologies, ensuring a connected and safe driving experience for everyone on board. Ultimately, choosing between the Land Rover Discovery and the Mercedes GLE 350 depends on your priorities. If you seek rugged capability and off-road adventure, the Discovery is an excellent choice. For those prioritizing on-road comfort, luxury, and a polished driving experience, the GLE 350 stands out. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Both are premium SUVs, offering distinct advantages for different drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.